There are specific type of biomolecules found in living organisms. They carry out various functions in favor of living cells to continue their existence and also conserve their energy. Let us see something about lipids.
We have discussed a little about lipids, their types, and their functions in the biological system. Now, in this discussion, we will see different types of lipids found in the membrane. They are categorized into three parts: glycerophospholipids, sphingolipids, and sterols. These are the structures of various membrane lipids. Phospholipids are divided into different types, and glycolipids are also divided into different types. The role of lipids is we know as fuel, as energy storage, and as signaling molecule. Now, first category, that is phospholipid, that is the main structure of membrane, which is made up of phospholipids. Because they contain phosphate group in their structure, they are called phospholipids. They have a backbone which is called glycerol backbone, and fatty acid long chains of carbon atoms ending into a carboxyl group are attached to this glycerol backbone. Phospholipid has only two chains of fatty acids, which is quite different than the other type of fat molecules found in the nature. And this phospholipid has two fatty acid chains. One is saturated, another is unsaturated. These two chains are extremely hydrophobic in nature. The structure of phospholipid is having polar and nonpolar end. Polar head is found with two hanging nonpolar tails. Phosphate group is further esterified to hydroxyl group with several different type of alcohols, and on the basis of these alcohols phospholipids are categorized into different categories. They have glycerol backbone, which is derived from three carbon molecule. Unsaturated lipid contain double bond and saturated lipid contain single bond in its structure. Fatty acid long chain of carbon are attached to glycerol. They have carboxyl group at their ends. Usually, the third carbon on the backbone of glycerol is attached to highly polar organic alcohol that forms hydrogen bonds with water. This alcohol is attached by a phosphate group, so the molecule is called phospholipid. One end of phospholipid is strongly nonpolar, that is water insoluble, while other end is strongly polar, that is water soluble. The two nonpolar fatty acids extend in one direction parallel to each other, and polar alcohol group oriented in the other direction. In the structure of phospholipid, polar head is seen with two hanging nonpolar tails. In phospholipids, the phosphate is further esterified to hydroxyl group of one of the several alcohols, and major glycerophospholipids are found in the membrane are categorized on the basis of esterification. Esterification is the process in which alcohol binds with acid to form esters. Glycerophospholipids are made up of three components: phosphorylated head, glycerol backbone, and two chains of fatty acid. They are of different category. First is phosphatidic acid or phosphatidate, which is considered as the main precursor of rest of the forms. It is also called by the name diacetylglycerol 3-phosphate. It is commonly found in the membrane, and from this phosphatidate, various type of phospholipids are produced. They are phosphatidylethanolamine, phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylserine, phosphatidylglycerol, and phosphatidylinositol. This is the structure of phosphatidate. Here we can see esterification on C1 and C2. This is glycerophospholipid common structure, and here X is variable. It may be serine, choline, ethanolamine, glycerol or inositol. This is the structure of phosphatidylinositol, which is having important role in cell signaling. Phosphatidylcholine, it has choline as a polar head group. It is also found as a common membrane lipid. This is again the structure of glycerophospholipid, and nicks are observed because of the double bond in unsaturated fatty acid chain. Other lipids are also found in the membrane. They are diphosphatidylglycerol or cardiolipin. It is found in inner mitochondrial membrane of eukaryotic organisms. The second category is sphingolipids. Sphingolipids are common type of membrane lipids. In sphingolipids, the most common type of sphingolipid is sphingomyelins. Sphingomyelins contains sphingosine as its backbone. It has a phosphorylated head group, either choline or ethanolamine, and 3 hydrocarbon chains. It is found in myelin sheath that surrounds the nerve cell. One hydrocarbon chain comes from backbone sphingosine, and another fatty acid is bonded via an amide bond. Sphingomyelins are found in more amount in myelin sheath or nerve cells. Another type of glycerophospholipids like cerebrosides and gangliosides are also made from sphingosine backbone. These glycerophospholipids have one or more sugar residues at the place of phosphorylated head groups. Amide bond is found in ceramide. Sphingomyelin structure. In case of cerebrosides and gangliosides, one or more sugar residues are found at the place of phosphorylated head groups. The galactocerebrosides have a single galactose residue and found in neuronal cell membrane of brain cells. The gangliosides are glycerophos, glycerosas, galactocerebrosides have single galactose residue, and gangliosides have one or more sialic acid links on the sugar chains. Cerebroside and ganglioside both have ceramide structure, and sphingosine is bonded to fatty acid by an amide bond. Cerebroside contains on monosaccharide, either galactose or glucose, linked to hydroxyl group of ceramide through a glycosidic bond. Galactocerebroside is found in neuronal cell membrane. Now comes third category of membrane lipids, that is sterols. Cholesterol is major constituent of plasma membrane in animals. It is a fused ring system, makes it more rigid. It is a metabolic precursor of hormone synthesis. Steroid hormones can be synthesized from cholesterol molecule. Plants also have these cholesterol molecules in their membrane. Also, they have another type of lipids like stigmasterol and beta-phytosterol, which differ in aliphatic side chains. Fungi also contain sterols. 50% of the lipid of outer leaflet of plasma membrane in eukaryotes is cholesterol. Here we can see the structure of cholesterol and gap filling model. Bacteria have their own special membrane adaptation, which are called hapanoids. They don't have sterols, but they have hapanoids. Hapanoids have 5 rings in their structure. Hapanoids are synthesized anaerobically, and hapanoids are polycyclic lipids which resemble steroids. There are different hapanoids found in different bacteria like diploptane, diplopterol, bacterio hopanetentrol, and hopane. They are a diverse class of triterpenoids. They are pentacyclic structure. They are seen in nitrogen fixing organisms like Bradybacterium and Cyanobacteria. They are also found in Streptomyces.
Lipids, their various types, their presence in the membrane, their various functions inside the membrane of living organisms, and their interactions with other biomolecules. Next time we will discuss something more about prokaryotic metabolism in detail. Till then, stay happy, stay at your home, and God bless you.